Authorities have stressed the importance of avoiding unnecessary travel altogether. Public transportation hasn't escaped the storm's grip either. Train services in Mallorca are facing disruptions, with SFM cautioning that sections of the track between Petra and Sinu are flooded. This has resulted in travel delays and the need for extra vigilance in these areas.
Del dilluns 18 d'agost, que va ser el fruit del caos que havia començat ja amb el surt d'aquell primer festival Cursos.
Meanwhile, AMET has issued multiple warnings across the island, with red alerts for intense rainfall in the northern and northeastern regions until 3 p.m., where as much as 180 liters of rain per square meter could fall in just 4 to 5 hours. After 3 p.m., this alert will reduce to orange, with rainfall estimates of up to 150 liters in 2 to 3 hours. By 6 p.m., the warning will downgrade further to yellow, anticipating up to 25 liters in a single hour. Much like the torrential downpours in June, the latest heavy rains brought by the DNN were unevenly scattered across Mallorca. While Palma, the island's capital, initially saw only a light drizzle, the northwest towns of Soler and Port de Soler bore the brunt of the storm. In Soler, torrents of water surged through the streets, and the local police had to intervene in a dramatic rescue. 10 individuals were trapped in an apartment where water had risen to knee level, preventing them from opening the door. Local news outlets reported that the rescue was successful, though the situation underscored the sudden intensity of the storm in certain areas. Palma eventually received some rain, but it was short-lived and far less severe than in the northwest. Meanwhile, the unpredictable weather disrupted travel plans for Mallorca's tourists. Palma's airport experienced significant delays and flight cancellations, leaving many travelers stranded or waiting for hours.